Okay, welcome to Itoro tutorial. Now we'll be looking at bisection method, how to find the root of a equation using bisection method. Now find the positive value of root 2 using bisection method. So now what we're going to do is that we said we consider x equals to root 2. Now implying that our x squared, by squaring both sides, x squared is equals to 2, meaning that x squared minus 2 gives us 0. Now instead of looking for root 2, we're taking x as our root, so that will give us x squared minus 2 equals 0 equals f of x. Now f of x equals to x squared minus 2 equals 0. We now say we're looking for two, by some method involves looking for two possible values of which the root lies between those two values. So if we say let x be a equals to 1 and let x be b equals to 1.5, we can now try to see the values of these functions as replacing x by 1 and replacing x by 1.5. So we check f of a, we have f of 1, which is 1 squared. That's, in this case, x is a, which is as 1. So we say 1 squared minus 2. So yeah, 1 squared is 1, 1 minus 2 is going to give us minus 1. And now f of b we have assumed to be 1.5. So replacing b by 1.5, that's the same thing as x equals to b is equals to 1.5. We have f of 1.5 will give us 1.5 squared based on x squared minus 2, 1.5 squared minus 2 is equals to 1.5 squared is 2.25 minus 2 give us 0.25. That's 0.25. So now, if you observe, f of a, which is f of 1, is minus 1. F of b, which is f of 1.5, is 0.25. 1 is positive and 1 is negative. It means that a root of this equation, the root we're looking for, lies between 1 and 1.5. So between 1 and 1.5, we can have the root of this 2, the root of root 2. So what we now need to do is to now use bisection method. To use bisection method, we have to look for c, which is taken as the interval, addition of the two endpoints divided by 2. So you have a plus b divided by 2. Now the first a was 1 and b is 1.5. Now also note that our f of a, which is minus 1, is less than 0. Our f of b is greater than 0. Remember that the sign of both the interval, that is the endpoint of the interval, must be different. So we now have that 1 plus 1.5 divided by 2 is going to give us 2.5 divided by 2, which is 1.25. Now we have 1.25. We now go back to our function. Remember, in this case, our x is the c we have made here. X equals c. So you now replace x by c. So you have f of c will now give us, based on this, by f of x is x minus 2. So f of c will now give us, now c is 1.25. So f of 1.25 will give us 1.25 squared minus 2. 1.25 squared minus 2 will give us minus 0.4375. And now the sign of this function, this result, is negative. So now remember that f of a was less than 0 and f of b is greater than 0. For some less than 0 means that the sign is negative. So the new a now take over the value of c at this point. Since f of 1.25 gives us negative, but it's less than 0. So a now take over 1.25. We have a is equals to 1.25 and b still remains the same value of 1.5. So b still remains 1.5, while a take over 1.25. We now go back to get another c again, which is same a plus b. Now since 1.25 plus 1.5 divided by 2 will give us 2.75 divided by 2. Now that's going to give us 1.375. So now the new c is now 1.375. We now go back to the original function where f of x equals to x squared minus 2 equals 0. We now replace our c by 1.375 because here c is 1.775. So f of c is same as f of 1.375, which equals to 1.375 raised to the power of 2 minus 2. Now that gives us minus 0.1094. Now, is it still less than 0? Or I can say it's what? Negative. So now since it's less than 0, we now look at this function. Which of them was less than 0? We see f of a. So this the new a will now be 1.375. B still remains 1.5. So our c was 1.375 plus 1.5 divided by 2. Now, 1.375 plus 1.5 is 2.875 divided by 2 is 1.4375. So we now go to check our function again. Our new C now is 1.4375. Now f of 1.4375, you're going to be replacing x by 1.475 all squared minus 2 give us 0.0664. Now you observe it's greater than 0. So since it's greater than 0, we now replace the value of c there by b. So the new b is now a still remain 1.375. The new b will change from 1.5 to 1.4375. 1.4375. So our new c will now be 1.375 plus 1.4375 divided by 2. Now it was 2.8125 over 2, which is 1.40625. Now, f of 1.40625 will be 1.40625 all raised to the power of 2 minus 2. Now, this gives us minus 0.0225, which is what? Less than 0. That is negative. We now remember that our f of a was less than 0, f of b is less than 0. So the new, since it's less than 0, the new a will take over 1.40 will become 1.40625. So a is now 1.40625, and b still remains 1.4375. So now we go back to our c. C is a plus b over 2, which is going to be addition of these two divided by 2. 1.40625 plus 1.4375 divided by 2. Now, divide that goes to 1.4291. So now go back to the function and say f of 1.4291 is 1.4291 all square minus 2. It was positive. So now, since it's positive, that's greater than 0. We look at which of them was greater than 0. B was greater than 0, so the new B is now this value. So we now say f of 1.42, okay, we've done that already. Your A is 1.40625, the new B now is 1.4291. So we now say C will be A plus B over 2, because it was 1.40625 plus 1.4291 divided by 2. That gives us 1.41765. So after a number of steps or iteration, we have done like 1, 2, more than 4 steps. We now say that our x is approximately 1.41765. Recall that x was the square root of 2. So the square root of 2 is approximately 1.41765 based on bisection method. Thank you viewers for watching. Do well to share, like, comment. If you have a question, drop a comment section. Thank you.